Hi friends, in this video I will teach you how to create an Android app for your WooCommerce store. This is a native Android app which you can create for free without any programming or coding knowledge, just with free AI tool. So you can create this app like this. You can see this is the app which we are created. All the native features of the app is available on this app. You can see here, and it have a beautiful search option. You can see here. You can also add all additional features on the app. You can see here, and if you select a product, you can see the product page here, and there is a review option, buy now option, add to cart option, and all other options which is available on our app. You can also add more features and all these things on the app. On the checkout page, the customers can enter their delivery address and they can complete the payment. You can see here, these payment methods are available on our WooCommerce store itself, so it will import all these things, and like this the customer can place the order. I created this app with free tools, so you don't need to pay anything. So I will give the link and all these things on the description. Please check the description for creating this app. Okay. Now go to our website. You can see the link I will give on the description, and you can download a prompt code here. You can just download for free and go to the Replit app. You can just go and create an account there which is free, so you can just take the free plan, and you can just select the mobile option from here, and you can upload the prompt which you are downloaded. Now you can upload it. Simply upload the prompt and wait for some time. Now the Replit will create the app for you. You can see here, you need to wait for some time, and this is the free plan. To create the account or the Replit, I will give the link on the description. Please use that link, so you can just create the app from the Replit like this. So now the Replit will ask for your WooCommerce data, so you can just get your consumer key, consumer secret, and store URL from your WooCommerce store. Go to your WooCommerce settings and create the REST API, and copy the consumer key, consumer secret, and store URL, and click on continue and wait for some time. Once you are done, you can see your app is now ready. If you have any if you need any edits, all these things, you can just give the prompt what you need to change the color or whatever things you want to add. You can just give the prompt for the Replit, and it will create as per your requirement. Okay, now you need to download these files. So you can see here a 3-dot option is available. You can just download the file as zip. Simply download the zip file. Now go to the Expo Go development page, and there you can create an account and unzip the file which you are downloaded from the Replit. You can just extract it, and now you can go to our website, and you can see here how to install Expo and all these things. You can just read this, and you can download the Node.js for your PC. Simply download it. You can install for free all these things. Simply download it. Once you are done that, install the Node.js on your computer. You can complete the installation setup as you are seeing in the video. You don't need to install Android Studio or anything. You just install the Node.js. That's it. Once you are done, complete the installation setup. You can see here. Click on next, and you can complete the installation. Click on finish. After that, you can just go to the website and you can see the instructions here. You can check the node version and all these things on your command prompt. Just open the command prompt and you can install all these things. Npm install, and all these things you can see here. Xpro project, so you can create the Xpro project here. Just run these commands on your computer. That's it. Run all these commands, and if you get any error, you can just use ChatGPT or any other AI tool to fix the errors. That's it. It's very simple. So once you are done that, you can just follow all these commands to create the APK file. So I'm just not going to all the steps because it will take some more time. So you can just read it and you can run it out. Okay, once you complete that, you can create the app successfully. You can run the EAS version. Just run it. After that, you can see the EAS build successful, and that you can download from your Expo account. You can go to your Expo account and you can install it. Now go to the Play Store, and if you want to check the app before creating the APK file, you can just download this Expo on Play Store, and once you download it, you can just open the app Expo and you can just log in with your credentials, and you can just scan it on the Replit app itself, the scan QR code option, and you can just simply scan this QR code. This is just before creating the APK or AAB file, so you can test it on your phone itself. You can see your app is starting. You can change all these things like this splash screen, logo, icon, etc. All these things you can just create your own. So if you want to create the app, I will give all the links in the description. You can just check the links and you can just create your own app. Okay guys, if you want to create an app or if you want to work with together, we can work together. You can just contact me on Facebook or on our official email ID. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.